Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials and taking the first actionable steps right away. Lay out tiles dry to verify pattern and thickness, then work from one corner. Slide a leveling clip under the edge of the first tile so the base sits flat on the substrate. Make sure the spacer keeps a consistent 1/16 to 3/16-inch joint. Tap the tile gently to seat it. Once the clip is placed, move to the adjacent tile and repeat. This starts your consistent plane. Now continue the process across the field, focusing on the complex middle steps. Work row by row, setting clips at the recommended spacing, 8 to 12 inches for large tiles, 4 to 6 inches for mosaics, and insert spacers as you go. Use a dedicated leveling plier or wedge to engage each clip and apply even pressure until adjacent tiles are flush. You should feel resistance but not crack the tile. Make sure to check with a straight edge frequently, and adjust clips when you see any high or low spots. Finish the job by following the final steps and a key troubleshooting tip. After tiles are set, wait the mortar cure time, usually 24 hours. Do not force clip removal early. Remove caps with pliers or a calibrated kick to break bases off cleanly at the substrate. If you find persistent lippage, lift the affected area, remove excess mortar, rebed the tile with even amount, and reapply clips making small, incremental adjustments until the plane reads true. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.